Is FFmpeg Project crashing because of the audio-video format 55.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin the manual steps for audio-video format 55, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the audio-video format 55, a legacy FFmpeg demuxer used for detecting and mapping embedded audio and video streams within older container formats. This component is essential for early 2010s media toolkits. Without it, video converters and legacy players may report format not supported or fail to initialize the media pipeline. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. If your software is failing because of audio-video format 55.dll, the internal file mapping for FFmpeg Project is likely corrupted. So reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including audio-video format 55, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Replacing audio-video format 55 without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. If this fix repaired audio-video format 55 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.